good morning everyone. It's Maria Russell here with you today for Trinity Stamps. I am going to share with you a process video of this cute Valentine's Day card with a matching mini treat cup that showcases some new items available at the shop. I am showing you now the Monster Love stamp set. This is just released on the 24th, and this is the card that I made on the blog during release week. And of course, I'm also going to use this mini treat cup that is available at the shop with the die that coordinates with it, and I'm also going to use that Slimline die set and some paper pads and other things to make this cute card and the mini treat cup. So let's get started. I have already colored and die cut my images using the coordinating dies that it's sold separately, and I'm going to ink blend my panel here, and I apologize that I forgot to use the Trinity Stamps blending brush because they are amazing, but during filming this my cat was actually distracting me big time and I forgot to use the brushes, but they are amazing, so you need to try them. And for my next video, that's what I'll do. So I'm ink blending this panel using seedless preserved, picked raspberry, spice marmalade, and mustard seed. I just sprayed it with water to get the oxidized effect and picked it up with a dry paper towel. I'm going to adhere this on an A2 size card base, and I also die cut that striped pattern paper and will also adhere that on the card just to ground my monsters. And I know this is going pretty fast, but this is a fairly simple card, so I apologize that it's fast, but I have two projects here for you today, which is why this is sped up a little bit. So I die cut that striped black cardstock, and I'm just going to adhere that using some liquid glue, and then adhere the little monsters with some foam tape. I love this stamp set so much because I think the monsters have the cutest faces and they stamp really well, and they are easy to color because of the size. So this is not only perfect for Valentine's Day, but I think this will also be perfect for Halloween, birthday cards, or just cards for kids. I am going to stamp the sentiment now on this black cardstock using the 3x4 Love and Stuff sentiments that was also released last week. I just stamped that with Versa mark ink, and I'm going to heat emboss this with my heating tool. And to die cut this piece, I will be using the banner that is included in the Scalloped card panels and banner die set, which coordinates with all the Slimline card series that is unique to Trinity Stamps. And just to give the eyes a little bit more texture and dimension, I will be using my black gel pen just to highlight it a little bit and make it stand out, and also use my white gel pen just to add some cute details to the faces. And now I will be making a treat cup that will go with this card. And just in case you're wondering, this treat cup is available at Trinity Stamps. This is called the Mini Paper Cup Craft Kit, and the die set that I'm using here coordinates with the treat cups, which is called the Mini Coffee Cup Sleeve and Decor die set. It's so perfect because you can use any pattern paper and any type of occasion. You can use this for Halloween, for Valentine's, and just about any type of occasion. And this also has a sleeve which I die cut here, and I will also be adhering this piece using my tape runner. I really love this die set so much because there are so many decorative elements that you can use to decorate your treat cup for any occasion. It even has pumpkins and hearts and everything else. So I'm going to decorate that little pin with the hearts that I die cut from using the die set. And for the treat cup, my husband's favorite is the Reese's peanut butter cup, so that's what I'm using for the treat here. And I'm just going to decorate that further. I use that circle that is included in the die set, and this plastic is also included in the treat cup set that you can find at the shop. And this is just so easy to make really cute treats for every day for Valentine's, for any other occasion. So I just use some baker's twine there just to tie it up. And to finish the design, I die cut a banner piece from my stash, and then I'm going to use that cute little monster image that is included in the Monster Love stamp set. For the sentiment, I chose the words love ya, that's also included in the set, and I will adhere this heart that the monster will be holding so that it doesn't come off, and then adhere this also using some liquid adhesive. I will be adorning this tag using some gingham ribbon that I got from Daiso, and I just used my lighter there just to prevent it from fraying further. I'm going to tie this up with my baker's twine and then adhere it on the treat cup. So those are my projects today, showcasing the 4x6 Monster Love stamp set with its coordinating die, the mini coffee cup sleeve and decor die set, the mini paper cup craft kit, and the 3x4 love and stuff sentiments die. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to Trinity Stamps Instagram, blog, and Facebook for more design team inspiration. Thank you again for joining us today, and happy crafting!